Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys why your output from the sources is poor. So there could be multiple things that could be part of the whole error, but I will discuss the main analytics. So there could be multiple things. One, your structurization of the sources is poor. Once you have sources, once you have add the sources in your notebook LM. Over here, you can see you can undo or reorganize or deorganize the whole sources based on sources, similarity or the sources requirements and all that stuff. But one thing that could be contributing to your error is that maybe the sources that you have attached are poor or they are not even attached properly with the notebook element. So, for example, I have attached a poor link. I have attached something which is not working as a source. So for that, if I go and show you guys, it's the Notion document. Over here, it's the Notion document, but I'm accessing this Notion document um, as a person who has the authorization to access it with a different email address. But for this email address, I don't have the authorization to access its document. So if I ask it, what's in the Notion document, so it won't be able to tell me what's in the Notion document because it cannot access it, right? So this is something which is something you need to check before creating a notebook LLM or attaching the sources. So even if you attach the sources, you can still fix it by you just if you are the creator of that Notion document, give access to that particular email, or you can ask for the access with the email address on which you have created an account on Notebook LLM. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.